Hi friends, once again KT sir is here from the channel Kartik Tuitions. In my previous video, we had discussed about inscribed arc, inscribed angle and intercepted arc. So if you have not watched that video, please check out my playlist. And if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe my channel for the regular updates. Now without wasting your time, let's start with today's video. In this video, we are going to talk about inscribed angle theorem. Now, this is the most important theorem from the chapter circle, and it usually comes in an exam for 4 marks. So, let's start. Now, I consider a circle with a center O. I take a diameter BC and I take any point A on the circle. Now, because of that, I get arc AC. If you observe, arc AC subtends a central angle, angle AOC. Let's take the measure of angle AOC as 60 degree. Now, if you try to recollect, by definition of minor arc, we know the measure of central angle has to be equals to measure of its interceptor arc. So, in other words, if angle AOC is 60 degree, then measure of interceptor arc AC will also be 60 degree. Now, let's join AB. Now, observe triangle AOB. Now, in triangle AOB, OA is equals to OB. Why? Radii of the same circle. Now, in triangle AOB, the two sides are equal. So, therefore, their base angles also has to be equal. Now, angle AOC is an exterior angle for the triangle AOB. So, in other words, angle AOC will be equals to sum of angle A plus angle B. Now, since both the angles are equal, that means angle A will also become 30 degree and B will also be 30 degree. Now, observe angle B. B is 30 degree, whereas arc AC is 60 degree. So, if I talk about angle ABC, now what is angle ABC? Is an inscribed angle. Arc AC is an interceptor arc. Observe the relation between their measures. This is 30 degree, arc AC is 60 degree. So in other words, my inscribed angle, that is angle ABC, and my interceptor arc, that is arc AC, दोनों के मेजर में रिलेशन क्या दिख रहा है? Measure angle ABC is half the measure arc AC. Now since ABC is an inscribed angle, I can say inscribed angle is half of its intercepted arc. Let's have a look at proper statement of the theorem. Now the statement is the measure of an inscribed angle is half the measure of its intercepted arc. Now in a figure, if you observe, angle ABC is an inscribed angle and arc AXE is an intercepted arc. So in other words, I get angle ABC has to be half the measure arc AXE. This is our inscribed angle theorem. Now let's look at our proof of it. See, I have a circle with a center O. I have an inscribed angle BAC. So I am supposed to prove measure angle BAC is half the measure arc BC. Now to prove this, we need a help of a construction. Sir, kya construction? I am going to draw a ray from A passing through O and which touches the circle at E. And I'll join OC. Now if you observe, we got a triangle AOC. Now in triangle AOC, what can we say about OA and OC? They both are equal. Why? Radii of the same circle. Now in triangle, if the two sides are equal, their base angles are also equal. So I will take angle A and angle C as X. So let us write it down that first. Measure angle OAC is equals to measure angle OCA is equals to X. That is our assumption. Now observe angle COE. Now COE is nothing else but exterior angle for the triangle AOC. What do we mean about the measure of exterior angle? Measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of its remote interior angle. So measure angle COE is equals to measure angle OAC plus measure angle OCA. Now we have taken each angle as X. So that will become X plus X. Now X plus X will give us 2X. So in other words, we got angle EOC as 2X. Now observe angle COE. What type of angle it is? It is a central angle. Just now we have studied the measure of central angle is equals to measure of its intercepted arc. Now here, which is the intercepted arc? It's arc CE. So if the angle COE is 2x, then measure arc CE will also be 2x. So let us write it down. Measure arc EC is equals to 2x. And the reason is definition of minor arc. Now, this OAX, we know we have taken it as x. So let's talk about this x angle and this arc. Observe the value between the angle A and arc EC. Can you observe something? Angle A is x, where the measured arc EC is 2x. It is twice. So now here, angle OAC is nothing else but half the measured arc EC. I hope I am clear till here. Let's move further. Now, OAX can also be written as angle EAC. So I'll write this as major angle EAC. Now, once I've proved this, similarly, I can say angle EAB will be half the major arc BE. Now, since we want to talk about angle BAC, so I will add the step 3 and 4. Now, when I say step 3 and 4, that means I have to go to angle EAC plus angle EAB. Now, when we add left hand side, we have to add the right hand side also. So it will be half of arc EC plus half of arc BE. Now, observe the figure. When we add both the angles, it gives the angle BAC, that is equals to half of. Now, arc EC plus arc BE will give us what? Arc BC. In other words, we have proved the theorem, that is major angle BAC is half the arc BC. Now, on the same concept, I have taken one sum. Let's have a look at it. Angle ACB is inscribed in an arc ACB of a circle with a center O. If angle ACB is 65 degree, find major arc AC. Let's have a figure. Now see, I have a circle where ACB is inscribed in an arc ACB. So I have taken the angle inscribed angle ACB, which is inscribed in an arc ACB. Now angle ACB is given to us as 65 degree, and we have to find major arc ACB. Now if you observe, arc ACB is nothing else but inscribed arc. अच्छा, ये value कब मिलेगा? When you know the major arc AB. Can you get the major arc AB? Yes, sir. कैसे? See, angle ACB is an inscribed angle. Just now we have discussed about inscribed angle theorem. In other words, we can say angle ACB is half the major arc AB, and the reason is inscribed angle theorem. Let's substitute the value. 65 degree is equals to half the arc AB. So in other words, major arc AB will become 65 into 2, that is 130 degree. Now, major arc AB, we got it as 30 degree. Observe the figure. Arc ACB and arc AB together forms a circle. So in other words, major arc ACB plus major arc AB, when we add, the total has to be 360 degree. Why? Major of a circle is 360 degree. Now in this, we know the major arc AB. How much it is? 130 degree. So 130 plus major arc ACB is equals to 360 degree. So in other words, major arc ACB becomes 360 minus 130. So major arc ACB becomes 230 degree. I hope you have understood the concept as well as this sum. If you are enjoying my videos, please share this video with your friends. Also like, share and subscribe my channel for the regular updates. If you come across any mathematical doubt, do mention it in our comment section and I'll help you with that. Thank you.